Welcome to this brief tutorial of how to set up the gradebook and then the topics and items within the gradebook. So we are going to start by going to the left-hand side of the screen and selecting grades from the list. So let's set up our parameters for our gradebook. First, we want to make sure that we are in the correct section, which this class is called Demo 2. Then I'm going to choose to view the ungraded as 0 and also to show totals as points on the student's grade page. There's some other options where we can upload and download grades, but that's all we're going to select right now. Now we need to add some assignments to our gradebook. So let's click on Assignments and let's click Add Assignment and then the plus sign. And we're going to name this assignment Discussion Questions and set any due dates and how many points the assignment's worth. And then we want to hit Save and Publish so that it's already active. Now let's go to the modules and then we can assign this assignment to each of the weeks. So let's hit the plus sign. We're going to click on Discussion Questions under Assignments and we'll continue to do that for each of the weeks that we have set up in our modules. Now we're going to add some grades to our gradebook. So we're going to go back to Assignments and we are going to click on the Speed Grader. This is going to be the first way that we can add grades. So click on Speed Grader. So the Speed Grader feature offers the ability to add the points and a quick comment for that assignment. And you can see we're going to give Joe 5 points and add a quick comment. Then if you hit the arrows forward and back, you can scroll through your student list, quickly adding the grade for each student. Now let's look at some of the other ways that we can add grades. Okay, so let's go back to our gradebook. We're going to select grades from the left-hand side. Let's scroll down and select Joe Smith and look at the grade that we just entered in the Speed Grader for his discussion question assignment. So if you scroll down, we can see Joe Smith, and there is the 5 points that we gave him for the discussion questions. But let's look at another way that we can add grades from the gradebook. So we're going to select Sally Smith, and we're going to make sure that we are on the discussion question assignment. Then we're going to scroll down and select her name directly from the student information. And then we're going to select discussion questions. And this is going to bring up the submission details where we can add her points and then any comments that we'd like. We're going to give Sally a 3 out of 5, add a quick comment, and hit Save. Now let's go back to our gradebook by selecting grades on the left-hand side of the screen. And now we can look at all the grades that we've just added for Joe and Sally to our gradebook. So we're going to scroll down and we'll select Joe, and there are his points that we've added. And then we can go up and click Next Student, and we can see Sally's points. And that is how you set up the gradebook in Canvas.